Hi and welcome to the video training of CSS. In today's video training we will learn how to create a simple animation using CSS. So here is the code of our HTML document. We will be going to create an HTML document and in page CSS with div tag and keyframes my first. And then we will have the body HTML with h1 CSS animation and simple div. So let's get started. I'm going to create a file called animation.html, and here we can start our code right away. HTML. Okay, do we need a title? No, we don't. So we just put this in head, style, head, body. So within the head style we are going to define the div width 100 pixel, height is also 100 pixel. Then we have background color red, position relative, background color red, position is relative. And then this is the very important property of CSS, that is animation. It is in CSS 3, and here you are going to say what animation properties or the class I'm going to use. So here I'm going to use my first, and in this I'm saying 5 seconds, linear animation 2 second, infinite, alternate. So now we need to define another keyframes block called my first, which we mentioned above here. So in this keyframes my first block, say 0% background color red, and the position should be left 0 pixel and top 0 pixel. Okay, just copy this from here and then change to 25 yellow, and here we are going to say left 200 pixels. So it will move 200 pixels from 0 pixels to 200 towards left. Then we have 50%, and here we are going to set color to blue, and left and top both are 200 pixels. Then we are going to add up 75%, and the color is green. Now we are moving from top to right, and here we have 100%. Color will be using back to red, and position is 0 and 0. You might have noted that the starting position and ending position is the same because we want to move it in a loop and take it back to its original position. Here I'm going to say CSS animations h1 and a simple div tag. So this div tag, this property of CSS will be applied on this div tag. So if I save this file and if I go to my projects folder and CSS animation.html, I can see it in Chrome. As you can see, the rectangle is animating across the screen using only CSS. We haven't used any JavaScript or jQuery, so it's that simple. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need any help, contact me.